Hey Jazzy Squad, welcome to day 4 of the 7-day refresh. I'm Jazz, and today I'm in beautiful Joshua Tree where we're gonna do this 10-minute continuous cardio and modified plyometrics workout. All you need is your beautiful selves, no weights necessary. All exercises are meant for beginners and seniors, but all fitness levels are welcome to join. Let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. Okay, beauties, let's get started. Let's just get some high knees going, nice and steady. If you need to hold onto a wall, please do, or a chair. I mean, I can't, there's rocks around, but not in the view, not in the frame. So just nice and steady, up and down, one at a time. Again, if you need something to hold on to, please hold on to it. So, I was in between recordings, day 3, day 4, and day 5. And my fiance and I were in Joshua Tree. And I was like, you know what? We got this beautiful backdrop. We got to do a nice little workout here. Luckily, no one's in their campsites right now. All right, team. So let's get started. Okay, up first, we're just going to continue with the high knees. If you're feeling a little spicy, you can pick up that pace, all right? You can pick up that pace, but go one leg up at a time if you want that modified version. Then we're going to get the modified burpees. Let's have everybody do the modified burpees. So just a big reach up, hands down, kick one leg out at a time. In between exercises, we're going to continue with the modified high knees, okay? So we're going to keep moving this for the whole 10 minutes here. So let's get started here. First things first, high knees. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So pump those knees up nice and quick. Again, if you're feeling spicy, pick them up quickly. But if you just want to continue with just one leg at a time, that's fine. Holding on to a chair or the wall. Beautiful. So we're going, pump those arms up to help you bring those knees up high. All right, team, you're looking good. Man, working out here, not too shabby, friends, not too shabby, Jazzy Squad. All right, almost there. And rest it up. Keep going though, keep moving those knees. For those of you that are doing the modified high knees, just keep it up. For those of you doing the spicy ones, keep those knees going one at a time. So I got 4 exercises for us today. In between the exercises, we're moving. We're still moving with those modified high knees. All right, team. So up next, like I said earlier, we're going to be doing the modified burpees. Everybody modified burpees. But if you're feeling extra spicy, you can do the regular burpees. The standard. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So big reach up, hands down, one leg out at a time, pop back up, and repeat. Gotta be a little bit careful here. Gotta be a little bit careful. A little bit careful. Keep going, team. Keep going. Keep going. Accidentally paused my recording here. Accidentally paused the recording. That's okay. Oh, we're still going though. Big reach up. Let's go. Should have brought a mat. Got a lot of rocks here, but that's okay. That's what happens when you start recording, doing a jazz it up workout in an amazing national park. Team, almost there. Okay. And go back. Let's go back to those high knees. Modified high knees here. Excellent work. Alrighty. So just keep going here. Pump those knees up. Looking good. I'm getting some vitamin D out here too. Normally I'm doing recordings right in the Jazzy studio, but man, if you've ever been to Joshua Tree, sure you understand the beauty here, but if you haven't, please come, please visit. What an amazing place. Very therapeutic. All right, team, up next, we got the squat jacks, okay? So you can either kick both knees or both feet in and out at the same time, or go one at a time, alternating those legs out one at a time. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So in and out, squat down low, reach with your legs. I know it sounds a little odd, but with these squat jacks, you want to reach with those legs rather than with the arms, okay? Reaching with the legs makes us get into it. Nice deeper squat. Just try to go as low as you can. Even if you're not touching the floor, that's fine. In and out, looking good. Beautiful work, friends, beautiful work. All right, let's go back to those high knees. Good job. Modified high knees here. Woo, buddy. All right, that's number 3. Number 3. Last one I have for us, we have the Liftoffs. You can either, if you're feeling spicy, you can go up nice and quick, or you just do that step back lunge with the high knee, okay? Alternating the sides on that. All right, friends, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So lift off, boom. We're switching the sides here. Normally we do one side at a time, but today I thought we could spice it up and switch it up here. We'll just get as low as you can with that lunge. But again, if you can't do the lift off, that's fine. You want to decrease that impact on the knee and the ankle. Just give you that high knee, deep lunge with that high knee. And again, if you need to hold on to a chair of some kind, please do, or the wall. Working on that coordination here. Looking good, friends. Day 4. Day 4. Muy bien. Día 4. All right. Let's go back to those high knees. Looking good, friends. Probably about halfway there. We're about halfway there. Looking great, team, looking great. Seriously, I can't. It's ridiculous how beautiful this place is. Ridiculous how beautiful this place is. All right, friends, we're gonna go back to the top with those spicy high knees or just the modified high knees. All right, friends, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Pump it up like the Black Eyed Peas. All right, team, looking good. Looking good. All right. Keep it pumping. Keep it pumping, team. 10 straight minutes. 10 straight minutes, you're doing great. Getting that heart rate elevated. Let's go. And back to those modified high knees. Great job, friends. Whew. Man, my legs are a little jelly after these 7 minutes. Just 7 minutes so far. But very productive 7 minutes. We also did a hike yesterday, a pretty good one, so that might be contributing to it too. All right, friends, we're gonna go back to those modified burpees. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Big reach up, hands down, one leg out at a time, and repeat. Hopefully this time I don't hit the pause. No pause button. That's okay. Things happen, team, but you gotta go with the flow. Gotta go with the flow sometimes with what life brings us. That's exactly what I'm doing. Being here in Joshua Tree and having you guys join me in beautiful Joshua Tree. All right, team, almost there. Almost there, friends. All right, let's go back to those high knees. Looking good. Looking good. Woo! We are keeping the heart rate elevated. Y'all get that water soon. All right, we're gonna finish the last two here. Finish those last two. Squat jacks to the lift offs. All right, friends, here we go. Squat jacks, 3, 2, 1, let's go. In and out, beautiful. Quick in and out, friends. Y'all are cruising, let's go. Remember, reach with those legs. Squat down low, in and out, friends, in and out. Don't get in and out right now if you're on the West Coast. All right, team, switch it back to those high knees. Great work. Woo! Yeah, buddy, we're almost done. Almost done. We're gonna get those lift offs one more time here. One more time. Oh yeah, it's a little dry out here too. Woo! Lungs are dry right now. All right, team, here we go. Lift offs, 3, 2, 1, let's do it. So alternate the sides. Alternate the sides, working on that coordination here. Remember, if you're not doing the actual lift off, that's fine. Just that as deep as you can with that lunge and that high knee, friends. And that high knee. A lot of high knees today. Looking good. We are almost there. We are almost there. All right, friends, and rest it up. Good job. That's day 4. Day 4. Oh man, woo, the dry air is not helping. So I had a beautiful helper here today with filming this. So we got to send our appreciation to the beautiful lady here. All right, say hi to the Jazzy Squad.
Great job, everyone.
hope you heard that. But y'all have a great day, great rest of your day wherever you're at. Love each other, love yourselves, and if you're in the area, be sure to check out the beautiful Joshua Tree. All right, I'll see you in day 5. Adios.